Hello everyone, I am Poonam Vohra and welcome each one of you to the 11th session of the Question of the Day series from the CBSE Sample Paper 2025. This series is designed to help you build conceptual clarity, improve answer writing skills and maximize your scores. Today we focus on question 11, a short answer type carrying 3 marks from the CBSE Sample Paper 2025 in Macroeconomics. The choices given in this question, both question choices will be discussed in today's session. One has to remember that in a short answer question, your response should be very concise yet well structured, covering the key concepts in 3 distinct points within 60 to 80 words. The structure comprises concepts, brief explanations with examples, and diagrams or formulas wherever needed. So, clarity, precision, and relevance are crucial to secure full marks. Make sure to define the key terms, provide brief explanation, and include example or formula if required. So let's begin. Question 11. This question has a choice. First choice is about a numerical from the estimation of national income. I'll read out the question for you. On the basis of the given data, estimate the value of domestic income, that is NDP, at factor cost. Items and amount is given in crores of rupees. Items are first household consumption expenditure. Amount spent is 800 crores of rupees. Gross business fixed capital formation 150. Gross residential construction investment 120. Government final consumption expenditure 170. Excess of imports over exports 20, inventory investment 140, gross public investment 500, net indirect taxes 70, net factor income from abroad is minus 50, and consumption of fixed capital as 40. For question 11, either you solve the numerical or answer this question, that is, state the steps pertaining to the estimation of national income under the income method. Let's have a look at the solution of numerical first. This is a numerical based on the expenditure method. So, have components of expenditure method in mind. You need to find here NDP at factor cost, that is domestic income. So, first write down the formula of expenditure method, that is GDP at market prices consumption expenditure. Here it is given as household consumption expenditure and government final consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure, and in the question it is given as gross business fixed capital formation, gross residential construction investment plus gross public investment and inventory investment, minus net exports given as excess of imports over exports. By including all these components, one gets GDP at market price. You need to find NDP at factor cost, so you will deduct consumption of fixed capital and you will deduct net indirect taxes to get NDP at factor cost. Then substitute the values as given. 800 plus 170 plus 150 plus 120 plus 500 plus 140. Then you deduct 20, 40 and 70. And 1750 is the answer. Now, understand the marks. It is important to write the formula because marks are allotted to writing the formula and 1.5 out of 3 marks are allotted for writing the formula correctly. And 1 mark is allotted to substituting the values and calculating it. And 0.5 mark is allotted to writing down the correct answer in complete units. So 3 marks are allotted to this numerical. So is the case with any numerical if it is for 3 marks. Now let's have a look at the solution of the choice given. The choice is about writing the steps of estimation of national income by income method. Now this is for 3 marks, so you need to write 3 distinct and complete steps. So first step is identify and classify production units into distinct heads, namely primary, secondary and tertiary sectors. Second point is estimate and classify the factor payments into compensation of employees, operating surplus and mixed income. The sum of factor payments represents the contribution of the sectors to domestic income, that is NDP at factor cost. Then third and final step is estimate and add the value of net factor income from abroad to arrive at national income, which is NNP at factor cost. 3 points and 1 mark is allotted to each point. Clear cut. So be careful in writing the steps in a concise and clear manner. I hope you have understood how to write a well-structured answer for short answer type comprising 3 marks. So be clear in writing the steps and write it in a brief and concise manner. Keep practicing such questions and stay curious. Join me tomorrow for the next question in the series. Till then, stay motivated and keep learning. See you in the next session. Thank you.